Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring admin privileges, because without them you cannot stop Proxima Beta. Once you have access, immediately export runtime logs and configuration files. This preserves state and avoids surprises. Make sure to snapshot any critical datasets and store API keys securely. Next, list active deployments and identify the exact service names that run Proxima. These names are needed for precise shutdown commands, so copy them into a simple text file. This reduces human error when you proceed to stop services. You now perform the controlled shutdown. First, block new traffic by flipping feature flags and reconfiguring your load balancer so live users aren't hit. Then, use the authorized CLI or console to stop each Proxima service, choosing graceful stop options so in-flight requests complete. While services wind down, watch logs and CPU, memory, and network metrics for retries or error spikes. If background jobs persist, pause or drain queues. Keep checking until the number of active processes reaches 0. You finish by cleaning up residual items so Proxima is fully stopped. Delete scheduled tasks, cron jobs, and auto-scale policies linked to the beta, then deprovision ephemeral instances and storage buckets to stop billing. Confirm the dashboard shows 0 running services and check billing alerts one more time. If the stop doesn't complete, don't panic. Roll back to your exported config and restore a snapshot to reproduce the issue locally. Then inspect error traces and logs to identify stuck processes or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.